CLARIPROD is a manufacturing monitoring system specifically designed to fit the needs of the plastics industry for both injection molders and extruders. Across all of Industry 4.0 offerings, it's the least expensive production monitoring solution, and in addition offers you the flexibility of a price structure that suits you. CLARIPROD is compatible with any injection molding or extrusion machine, regardless of the age or the brand of the machine. What makes CLARIPROD unique? Mostly its simplicity of installation, its interface, and its results. CLARIPROD is the only plug-and-play system in the industry. So when you receive your controller, it's ready to be connected to any equipment. To make your life easier, CLARIPROD offers 3 connectivity options for your controller. The first one is the traditional 2-wire option, the electrical connection and the production signal. This works on all machines regardless of brand or age. For the most recent machines, you can connect it directly with an Ethernet cable. Also, CLARIPROD offers you an even quicker option to install, which is our new magnetic signal sensor option. Simply place the 2 parts of the sensor where you want to measure your production signals, and then connect it to the CLARIPROD controller. When your controller is connected to your equipment, simply connect the controller to an internet source to synchronize it with the CLARIPROD portal and start collecting data. Select your work orders directly on the controller with its user-friendly interface. You can also select and record reasons for quality issues and machine downtime easily on the controller. The controller also allows you to view your equipment performance and productivity at every workstation. The CLARIPROD system also provides you with an easy-to-use portal to visualize your real-time production data in a dynamic dashboard. With our intuitive platform, you can configure your settings in only a few minutes to facilitate data analytics. You will need to identify, among others, your controllers, your reject reasons, and downtime causes. You are now ready to start collecting and analyzing data immediately. With CLARIPROD, all your data is kept safe in a cloud hosted by Amazon Web Services. The dynamic dashboard allows you to visualize your productivity according to different indicators like your performance, your availability, and your quality score. This allows you to view your real-time overall equipment effectiveness at a glance. You can also visualize all of your equipment performance in real time to get a global view of your plant floor. The CLARIPROD system also provides you predefined production reports which you can produce in only a few minutes, and at any time you want. With a production monitoring system like CLARIPROD, the right people will be notified of problems happening in your factory through pre-programmed alerts to your cell phone. This allows you to identify production problems like rejects, machine slowdowns, or downtimes as soon as they happen, enabling you to fix them quickly. As a result, you will save important manufacturing costs, but also precious labor time by making your monitoring and data gathering process digital. Those steady savings from real-time monitoring will allow you to have a return on investment in only a few weeks. Another unique aspect of our system is that you can access your data anywhere, on any device, and with an unlimited number of users. Its subscription-based model with no contract, low upfront cost, and no minimum order quantity allows you to tailor your investment to the reality of your business. In other words, CLARIPROD is the most flexible and easy-to-use solution to join Industry 4.0 today.